So hi guys, welcome back. So last class we saw about application in technical textiles. So in this class we are going to see about classification of technical textiles. So before that let me introduce myself. My name is ABISHA Raju. I am assistant professor in Department of Costume Design and Fashion, Dr. S.L.S. Raju College of Arts and Science. So the technical textile and its classifications include mobile tech, sport tech, Intutech, home tech, build tech, meditech, cloth tech, agrotech, pack tech, pro tech, geotech and ecotech. So these are the classification in technical textiles. So we are going to see each one of the technical textile classification briefly. So first one is agrotech. So agrotech is the category of technical textile specifically designed for used in agriculture or horticulture applications. So we are going to using agrotech in agriculture and horticulture application. So it's mostly used for enhance the productivity and protect the crops from various disorders like insect, bats and nature's hazards. So where the agriculture or farming have challenges in it. So the key application of agrotech are crop protection, weed control, erosion control, water management, greenhouse covers, soil stabilization and harvesting. So in crop protection we have shade nets, insect nets, anti-bat nets, which helps to protect the plants from excess sunlight. The shade nets helps to protect the plants from excess sunlight or excess heat and it improves the crops growth. And insect nets prevent the insect from damaging the crops and still allowing when we use the insect nets it control the insect to affect the crops. At the same time it bring the plant help to the crops to grow faster. And the weed control mats used to cover soil and prevent the weed growth, reducing the need for herbicides. So if we use lot of pesticide or herbicides, it will affect the crops and while we consume it, it will also affect our health. So while using the weed mats, it controls the soil and prevents the weed growth. It controls the pesticide we are using. So next one is erosion control. So erosion control fabrics used to stabilize and prevent the soil erosion, especially in sloped areas. So we are using it in sloped area like mountains. If we use it there, it will control the erosion. Next one is water management. The mulch films or drip irrigation tapes which used as helpful to improve the moisture retention and temperature control in the soils. And greenhouse covers, it's like a polythene sheets we are used to cover for a greenhouse, allowing optimal. For example, some plants need minimal light, or some plants are only grow in shade. So if we use a greenhouse covers, it helps the plant to grow in a proper environment. So next one is geotextiles in agriculture for soil refreshment and improving the soil quality and structure. And for harvesting we have harvesting bags and covers to protect the fruits caught during the harvestment and storage to prevent the contamination. So next one is benefits of agrotextile. So the benefits we are having in agrotextiles are increased yield, water conservation, sustainable practices and cost efficiency. So by reducing the pest damage or crop damaging, we can control the environment by using the agrotextiles. So it will help the crops to yield more. Next one is water wastage. So by using the mulch films or the integration tapes, we can reduce the water wastage and still we can retain the moisture in the soil. And minimize the need of chemicals and promote the organic farming, we can use sustainable practices. So while reducing the usage of pesticide or herbicide, we can go for sustainable practice. It will helps to improve the soil protection. saw agro textile. So next class